Followed only by Sassy. Another one for Rocky. And for the last ball, Rocky wins! Trainer Regine, what can you say about that? You guys lose this time.
Hold it. We want another race.
Oh, they won another race, Trainer Mark.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
Well, this time I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So, what race do you have in mind?
I'm thinking about the ring race.
And what is our ring race?
The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the bowl, the fastest the winner, and that is a ring race.
Here's Rocky on his first ring. Another ring for Rocky. Oh, hey, what's happening? Sassy, pick up the 3 rings at the same time. Oh, my God! And the winner is Sassy. Just like Sassy, Raven was from South America, and they are known to be the dental giants of the Parang family. It is because they are the second largest, next to the hyacinth mohawks. They can grow up to 19 centimeters in length and can live up to 8 years old. Scientific name is Arachloroptera. They usually feed on seeds, nuts, cells, and minerals along the river banks. And there you go, indulgent ride! A round of applause for Sassy, the trainer regime. Now guys, who loves math? Everyone here knows addition, right? Well,
Chance will snow when you bet, and you end up in debt.
now let's go now here with the whole Rocky. Wow, look at that! What a beautiful athlete. Peter Mark's not ready.
Johnny down in that
And Rocky gets the first number for red. But how about the second number? Well, Rocky loves numbers.
while you're singing the long harmonize with the rest of the guys.
And Rocky gets the number 7. So 7 plus 7 is equal to 17. A round of applause for Rocky with trainer Mark. Colorful and intelligent parrots. We would like to show you another species of bird here in the ocean park. It is Mumu with the Pepsis. These birds are found in Bohol, Samar, Leyte, Catanduanes, and possibly in Cebu.
Ayun o, look at the train order. Look at the train orders.
Wow, look at that! And the other species of birds race around the world. These birds can be found in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, along China, including here in the Philippines. They are locally known as lawin or banong in Visayas region. And now let us all welcome our chickens! Wow, look at that! And as you can see, we have our homing pigeons. Homing pigeons is an innate homing ability, meaning they will generally return to its nest and mate. Our other raptors, chickens, and our homing pigeons. Here at Manila Ocean Park, we believe that there is hope. We all not try to take care of our friends in the sea, but for also who are in land and air as well. Now guys, who knows the 3 R's? It's reduce, reuse, and recycle. Very good. So here's our lovely bird once again, and they will show us the proper waste disposal. See, if our lovely birds can do it, we believe that so can everybody. Ladies, let's take action in saving them from exploitation or even extinction. Please, let's all do our part in saving the world, because remember, this is the only hope we've got. Now let me present to you the birds and the trainers who made the show in a body. Trainer Regine with Sassy, Trainer Johnny with Shadow, Trainer Rochelle with hope. And once again, I'm Trainer Mikey. Thank you and goodbye. By the way, guys, please remain in your seats because we still have a Line show. Thank you. Hello, everyone.
Nahulog. Lamig, lamig.
Wow, what a nice entrance! Good day everyone and welcome to Aquatica. By the way, my name is Divina and I'd like to meet my sea lion friends together with the trainers one at a time. On your left side is the eldest female South American sea lions that we have here. And according to our trainer, she is the prettiest. Wow, confident. Her name is Isis. Together, trainer Jean. Say hi! While on the other side is the youngest female South American sea lions that we have here. And according to our trainer, he is the sexiest. Oh, don't be shy, girl. Her name is Sandra. Together, trainer JB. Say hello! Now guys, the answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? The term pinnipeds may also be translated as wing-footed since their flippers do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they're appear to be flying underwater as they swim from place to place with bigger front flippers. And they can also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's a fine demonstration of what round of applause for sea lion friends. And you know what, guys? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? How about round of applause for sea lion friends? As you can see, their body is covered with a thin coat of short coarse hair, and their whiskers help the sea lion sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers, which make them in navigation or to detect vibration from prey in the water. And their small external ears give them a good sense of hearing both above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like any marine animals, can see both above and underwater. They have a keen eyesight but no color vision. In the wild, they inhabit water close to shore, flood-like things with typhoons, and they have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities, which can easily escape rocky cliffs. Check this out. Truly strong front flippers. Now let's talk about their swimming abilities and let's start with Isis, the prettiest. Sea lions can generally cruise around 11 miles per hour using the rowing movements of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as a rudder for steering. And that is the normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you so much, Isis and Trainer Jean. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst speed up to... Ready, Sandra? 25 miles per hour. That is so fast. A round of applause for Sandra, the sexiest. Oh, a nice slide. And another one. She deserves it. Now, here's an interesting story about our sea lions. Did you know that the U.S. Navy has trained us? Now, let's march. Ready, guys? Up, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, salute. This time, Could you please join our sea lion friends in a salute? In a count of 3, everybody please salute and make this one loud. People of the crowd, are you ready? Hey guys, I can't hear you. Are you ready? Now let's count. And we got it. A round of applause for sea lion friends. Great job, ladies. And another one. They are asking for it. So trainers, what next? The ball? How do you think they get the balls? It's a ball balance. Careful, ladies. Almost there. Steady and fantastic. How about round of applause for sea lion friends?
Ay, kuha siya diyan. Kuha siya diyan. Doon, Sandra.
This time, would you love to see a dance number for Marcela and friends? Let's move it! That's your answer, everybody! Come on! Now, ladies, slow down the side by side. And the people dancing.
Tama dyan siya.
Rock and roll, guys. Into the water. The water sally. Twisting and turning. Colorful twisting, Sandra. And round the world we go. Round and round. And on the other side, round and round. Now, ladies, slow down the boogie dance. Boogie, boogie, shake, shake, shake. And our people first, the booty shake. Shake those booties. Shake it, trainers. Yeah, and keep on rolling. Now, ladies, show them what you got. People of the crowd, ready your camera because this is the best part. Yan. Arriba! And for the finale. Steady and let's go! Viva! Also, round of applause for Sila and friends and the trainers as well for the great dance number. Kiss. Sweet. We hope you all enjoy spending your afternoon here at Aquatica with the new friends. That's